thank you for choosing Riverhead Auto Mall, where everyone is approved. Bad credit, no credit, first-time buyer? At Riverhead Auto Mall, you are approved. $0 down financing is available for all. Every car sold by Riverhead Auto Mall goes through 27-point inspection. If we cannot sell this Chrysler 300 to our own family member, we cannot sell it to you. Loaded with heated leather seats. There is still plenty of tread left on the tires. The paint has a showroom shine. This vehicle has all of the right options. With just 17,623 miles, this car is barely broken in. 100% Carfax guaranteed. The interior of this vehicle is virtually flawless. This car comes with the balance of its existing factory warranty. It seems that this vehicle was owned by a non-smoker. This is a one-owner car. All